How to factory reset Windows 11. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly right click on the Windows icon at the taskbar. From the menu, simply go to Settings. Or you can simply use the shortcut key Window plus I to open the setting application on your device. Then after from the left hand side menu, go to System. Scroll below and you will see the option of recovery. Simply go to that and click on reset this PC. Then after you will see a prompt on your screen in which you simply need to choose the option of keep data. Then after make a backup of your data and continue to reset your PC. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.